Yak Back Pack.
Hi, welcome to Yak Back Pack. Look at all these things we can buy. I have some coins. We have some coins so we can buy things from the store. What should we buy? What about this horse? It's 25 cents. The horse is 25 cents. Horse. The horse costs 25 cents. Horse. I want to buy this horse. Horse. Let me find my quarter. This one says 25 cents. Here we go. I bought the horse. What should I buy now? I want to buy the hamburger. I want to buy this hamburger. The hamburger costs 5 cents. The hamburger costs 5 cents. Here it is. Here's my nickel. I'm buying a hamburger. What else should I buy from the store? This is a hot dog. I want to buy the hot dog. The hot dog costs 5 cents. Hot dog. What a good deal on a hot dog. Hot dog. I want to buy the hot dog. Here's 5 cents. Here's my nickel. What else should I buy at the store? I want to buy the hamster. Look at this cute hamster. The hamster costs 10 cents. Hamster. The hamster costs 10 cents. I think this is a good deal on a hamster. Here's my dime. It costs 10 cents. I just bought the hamster. Now I want to buy this dog. Sometimes we call these hound dogs. I want to buy the hound dog for 25 cents. Hound dog. Hound. This looks like a good hound. Here's my quarter. I'm going to buy the hound dog. I don't have anything else to buy. We bought a horse. We bought a hamster. We bought a hound dog. We bought a hamburger. I bought a hot dog. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack. Yak Back Pack.